Hi, I'm Olivia from Clinked.com. So, you've decided to implement a client portal into your business, and that's a great step to gaining a competitive advantage. But how do you know you're getting the best out of your cloud-based software? Well, the basic concept involves being able to have separate spaces to conduct business with all of your clients. This includes granting them access to certain files and folders that your company has stored securely, as well as being a private place in the cloud that you can collaborate with your clients. Being able to get the most out of your portal is just as important as being able to implement it in the first place. That being said, here's how to get the best out of your client portal software. There's countless versions of client portal software out there, so it can be stressful to find and implement the one that's perfect for your business. So focus on finding a client portal that has the correct tools and features to help you work better with your clients without causing any confusion and becoming counterproductive. So once you've chosen and integrated your client portal, does your team and your clients know how to use it to its full potential? The best thing you can do is set up training for your clients and your team to make sure you get the maximum potential out of your cloud-based software. This also limits user errors and confusion that comes as a lack of understanding between the user and the software. So now everyone is aware of how to use the portal, you can still get more out of your cloud-based software by encouraging users to take it mobile. For example, Clinked has a mobile app. This means that clients and team members can collaborate anywhere, anytime, and they're not stuck to their desktop in the office. Making use of these features makes collaborating just that much more efficient. As well as having full mobility, your client portal should give you customization options, especially if it's a white label platform. So, to create a personal space for your clients, you don't need to be a design expert. So the amount of customization options may depend on the package that you choose to go with. It could be as simple as updating your logo and colours, or you could go as far as being able to completely redesign the portal to match your company's branding and guidelines. Either way, making use of the customization features can really help to keep your business and your clients feel connected to the portal. Okay, so once you've completed all of the steps that we've just mentioned, one of the many benefits of having a cloud-based software is the support that you're provided with. You have the advantage of not being able to worry about any of the technical aspects behind the client portal. For example, keeping your data safe and ensuring that your infrastructure is working smoothly, as well as having any support for troubleshooting issues. And at Clinked, we do offer all these options if you're looking to implement a system or looking to replace an existing system. So if you have any questions, a member of our team will be happy to help you with them. Please reach out on any of the links provided below, and we can also set you up with a 10-day free trial if you wish. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe below for more information on client portals and Clinked.